Today, most medical waste is processed using antiquated heat-based systems. And any heat-based system is expensive to operate, expensive to maintain, and it really doesn't take an expert in the field of medical waste to realize that burning your garbage isn't a great solution for our future. So it's really important for hospitals and health systems to realize that they're responsible for their medical waste from cradle to grave. Bringing waste processing on site for a hospital is really a way for the hospital to control so many aspects of this process. Control the risk and liability, control the costs without increasing costs from third parties, and control the impact on the planet, impact on environmental goals.
Somewhere around 250 patients a day, we generate a great deal of regulated medical waste and trash. It never stops. We came across clean waste systems in their system whereby we could process on our site, control our own destiny, and not have to segregate. And so it really led to a conversation with clean waste systems in exploring their technologies. We had a very, I would say, smooth transition of getting that machine up and running and then shifting to this continuous process, taking as much of the human equation out of this, of handling and shredding our regulated medical waste along with our trash at the same time.
A single button push starts the process. That waste gets weighed, lifted, and documented, and then it empties into a shredding system. That shredding system breaks down the waste into really a pretty fine confetti, and once it's all broken down, it gets exposed to ozone with a little bit of moisture for complete decontamination.
That shredder makes the waste totally unrecognizable.
We probably cut our labor in half by not having to repackage and go with waste manifests that then have to be reviewed and packed into a semi-trailer. Big savings operationally.
Processing medical waste using ozone produces 0 direct emissions. That ozone naturally seeks out really any organic matter. It breaks open holes in cells and they quickly deteriorate and die in seconds. That ozone gets converted back into oxygen and released into the outside air. So you now have a way to treat medical waste at ambient air temperature, really using the same air we breathe.
With us processing over 2 million pounds of regulated medical waste and trash through our system annually, we're estimating greater than 15 million kilograms of reduction in CO2 gases by shifting to this process annually.
And again, it's a continuous process. You can keep feeding waste into the system, no smells. You didn't have to worry about the fly ash, working with the EPA, continuous maintenance and upkeep on the system. Every customer, every client is unique. We work with the hospitals, we work with the processors as far as for different types of manifests that they might need for the waste being hauled out and treated, or to show that it's treated.
I sleep easier at night with this. It's very efficient, it's clean. We don't have to rely on somebody else. We mitigate the risk with this process. Clean Waste has been a good partner with us setting up reliable maintenance in a timely manner. That they've been very responsive when we needed things. They've been a good partner as we've developed our sustainability story. So I've got a lot of positive things to say about Clean Waste Systems.